Can we talk to you for a moment?
What's up? Yes.
Me and Liam just have a one question for you. So me and Liam are trying to get girlfriends. Do you have any advice for us?
Girlfriends?
It's actually 100% scientifically proven that if you slide down rails, women will want to date you faster and want to date you more. So that's why I do it. Oh, they're reading. They're reading. I don't know if I can interrupt that. Maybe I can. I don't know. Let's keep going. Will you go on a date with me? Will you go on a date with me?
No.
Will you go on a date with me? Why not?
Because you're my brother.
Will you go on a date with me?
No.
Will you go on a date with me?
No.
Will you go on a date with me?
No.
Will you go on a date with me?
No.
Will you go on a date with me?
No. Leave me alone.
Right. Okay. First of all, number one, just be yourself. Okay. Humor goes a long way. We love to laugh. Make me laugh, bro. Okay.
Perfect. Okay.
I personally go for a little chocolate. You know, you don't have to do anything big. Mm-hmm. You can start out with these little fun size things. This is cute. Mm-hmm. This is cute. Goes with everything. And let's say she's like allergic to stuff. Just get the plain. Okay. It's not plain.
Miss Canton, me and Liam are looking for girlfriends. How do you think we should go about doing that?
First, I would recommend a haircut.
I can't do that. Next one.
Second, do you have a job?
So me and Liam are trying to get girlfriends. So how do you think we should go about doing that?
You're trying to get girlfriends?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do they seem like they like you at all?
How do we talk to women? Do you think he has a girlfriend? There you go. I have a question for you.
Yeah, what's up?
So me and Liam are looking for girlfriends.
Okay.
Do you have any advice?
So there's this thing called VR chat, right?
Let's see. Yeah, I think that it's nice to look nice.
Okay.
Like, don't come at me raggedy.
Okay.
It's important to be this swag.
Mm-hmm.
Everything. I like this.
You like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Wait. No. What class? No. Will you go on a date with me?
No.
Ask her if is your sister single? So I've seen you around the halls, and we've been going to school for a while now, and I felt like a connection between us, and I was just wondering if you wanted to go on a date with me. Miss Brees, will you go on a date with me?
I'm married. Plus, I'm a teacher.
So?
Don't make this up.
They go here.
They go here. Okay, so go here, girls. Yeah, that pizza, the Alfredo thing.
Mm-hmm. They love the Alfredo.
Yeah, the Alfredo thing.
I love it. I have a question for you. Will you go on a date with me?
No.
Why not? But I had a crush on you in the 5th grade.
Yeah, I know.
Did you like me back in the 5th grade?
No.
Humor. Yeah, definitely. Please be funny.
Yes, ma'am. I promise. I'm a little clammy. Okay.
Good luck on this.
Thank you. Do you want me to take these off your hands, or do you want to keep them?
Alright, so remember, you can throw away all of this stuff. The only thing that has to stay...
Will you go on a date with me?
Of course.